Assalamu alaikum. In our previous lecture, we had discussed about introduction to Python programming, how to download software of Python and how to install it, and how we use this program. Now, in this video, we will talk about some basics of Python programming. So, first of all, you have to open Python programming software. I will type Python. As you can see, this is app and download it 3.10. This is our version. Now click on it. It is processing. Just take some time to open it. Now, wait some time to open up the software. As you can see, this is your command where you write some commands, and according to your command, Python software display your result. In Python programming, this is very simple. For example, if you write 2, Python programming understand that 2 is a number, 2 is an integer. So when you click on, when you press the enter button, as you can see, the output will be 2. Now, if you write Hassan, I will write this string. So Python programming understand that Hassan is a string, and because I have write a single quotes on both sides of this value, when we press enter button, as you can see, Hassan also shown as a output like string, as you can see on the screen like that. Okay, this is very simple to assign a value to the variable. To manipulate it, like if we talk about, I will display a variable like variable A and assign a value of 2. So when you enter, so Python programming understand that variable A is an integer because value of integer 2 assigning to the variable A. So if you want to print this number, you simply type command print and A. As you can see, when we press enter button, the value of A display as 2, display on the screen, right? If you talk about some manipulation task, like A always has 2 value and B has value of like 10, right? So A plus B. As you can see, 12, how 12 answer is displayed, value of A is 2 and value of B is 10. So answer is displayed as A plus B is equal to 12, as you can see. Now, go to the next step. If you want some extra operation like string operation, because string operation, there are the most important operation like concatenation in string values. So I will provide A is equal to John, right? I will also another variable like Steve's. I have 2 values A and B. 2 variables A and B, and value of A is a string that is Jones, and value of B is also string that is Steve. So if you A plus B, so this is Python understand that A and B are strings. So when you A plus B, automatically this concatenate, this plus sign concatenate both strings A and B, because Python understand now that A and B are not integers. A and B are strings. So Jones and Steve are combined like this, as you can see, right? If you want some space, let's suppose if you want some space in between John and Steve, this is very simple. You simply print, right, and display the value A. This will display Jones, right? Now plus sign, that is space, and plus again B. As you can see, when you display it, this is display John space T, because you concatenate space with A and B, and space will be created in the output, as you can see on the screen, right? So these are some simple operations we apply on it. Now, if you talk about some taking input from the user on the runtime and apply the operation according to the input, this is very simple. Okay, now I will take first print. I will create a program like that. New file, right? Simple. New file and print. Enter your name, right? And variable A, you should enter a value, and this value will be assigned to variable A. Input, this is command taking input from the user, taking input. Make sure this is a very simple task because Python, when you take some input from the user, this will automatically converted into string value. We have also take some value of a simple name, that is string. So this will be this is not necessary to convert into string, right? This is already string. A is equal to input. Now print A. This is very simple. When you run this program, the first message will be displayed, that is enter your name. You will enter your name, and then this will display on the screen, right? Okay. Now we will first of all save it, then we execute this program, right? We'll talk about strings. This is Python file. Now save. Click on save. Now simply press F5 for execution. Now you can see enter your name. So your message I will display. Hasan Iftikhar. As you can see, when we enter, then the output will be Hasan Iftikhar. Output always display in blue color, and input will be in the black color. Okay. This is your first program. This is very simple, taking input from the user, right? Very simple. We simply input a string and display it. Now, if you talk about some manipulation like addition, multiplication, subtraction, so this is main step. So I will type print. Now, I will type for print. Enter number. Simple. I will type in this program, I will only simply enter a number, right? Now taking input and display it. Enter your number. I will enter the number by 23 and display number is 23. Right? This is your simple task. As you can see, this is very simple to display the program. I will convert it into string. I will explain this later. 12, as you can see, because the answer will be displayed always in C# and Python will be in the string value. So when we take the value, it is in the form of integer, and when displayed, then we convert this value in the string value. String function, we have applied string function on the output variable. So simply the answer will be displayed in the string value. This is our first program, very basics. In our next program, we will all next talk about some another basics. We will talk about many other lectures in our. We will discuss about loops, conditions, functions, how to use it in the Python programming. So keep in touch, and if you have any confusion, any ambiguity, you can send us a feedback. You can also contact us on our WhatsApp and our email address. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.